Hey, what is going on, my beautiful traders? My name is Chris and I'm from Need for Spread. And in today's video, I will show you how to install any indicator on your MT4 platform. And this was my Cotex platform where I just placed this Euro Japanese yen trade, which was in the money, and also this US dollar Japanese yen. As you can see here, it will be in the money. Also, I'm using my bra indicator and I'm receiving, as you can see, very good results lately. My account is more than $4,000. I started this account with $800. So far so good, everything is good. um, if you want to see what's all about, stay here until the end of this video. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell. In this way you'll be notified every time I'm uploading new videos. So that being said, without further ado, let's jump into the video. Right. I hope everybody is fine today. A new week ahead. And as I told you in today's video, I will show you how to upload an indicator to your MT4 platform. So let's assume that all of you have an MT4 platform installed on your computer, on your PC. If not, I'll put links below this video for IC markets or Ava Trade where you can you can make an account and you can download a free demo account, and in this way you'll have an MT4 platform on your PC, which is quite simple. Just follow the steps that they show you on their websites. Now I will concentrate today and I will show you how to upload an indicator on your MT4 platform, and it will show you signals like this one. As a matter of fact, I will upload exactly my bra indicator, and as you can see, just received an alert on DA30. This is the Deutschland index, and it is a buy, as you can see here. Let's have a look on DA30 buy, and yes, as you can see here, is not confirmed. We should see this green star here when the signal it is confirmed, but the idea is that it will break this resistance here. Anyway, if I'll receive some signals for forex pairs, I will place also that signals into my Quotex account. You saw earlier in my intro that I just received two signal which were in the money, and I will do so during this video. Now let's assume that you just received the bra indicator on your email. We will take it step by step, and you will have it like this in archived format. Let's go ahead and I will download this on my computer. This is what you will have to do, bra indicator, and let's download it here on this folder, save. All right, now what you will do, you will uh, open that folder where you saved the indicator, and you will need to have installed on your computer WinRAR. This is a archive program that will help you to unarchive any archived file. Okay, so what I will do, click on so you will have to, all right, so extract here 270182. All right, so you will see the folder like this one here, which contains bra indicator, bra binary, and confirm ITM in the money. And the next thing that you should do is to, actually there are many ways, you know, to upload an indicator to an MT4 platform, but I'm showing you the simplest way in my point of view. Now all you have to do is to go here on file, yes, here on the right. Let me make it a little bit, I don't know if you can see it. Right now I think you can see it. So go ahead, go here to file and open data folder. Here go to MQL4, go to indicators, sorry, and all you have to do is just to go back to your folder where is your unarchived folder with the indicator, and just drag and drop it here. I already have it here. There's no sense to put it again, and this is all you have to do in order to have an indicator on your MT4 platform. Go here, click on refresh, or just close your MT4 platform and open up again, and that's it. You should see the bra indicator here, and when you see the bra indicator, it will be like this bra indicator on this navigator panel. Just click on this plus here and just drag and drop all the free indicators into any asset that you want to get signals from the bra indicator on it. Here you'll have to have this all these these two boxes. This should be checked: allow DLL imports and allow external experts imports, and just click on OK, and that's it. You will have the indicator, and you do the same with all the indicator bra binary, and confirm in the money. So that's it. That's all you have to do in order to have the indicator on your and any indicator on your MT4 platform and run. All right, so I didn't get any other signal for my Cotex platform. This will be a short video. If you want to get bra indicator, you have to do, because I just finished to test it, and it's working perfect. And if you want to get the bra indicator, all you have to do is to use the first thing first. You can do two things: use Cotex platform in order to trade binary options, because as I told you, bra indicator is made for binary options trading, and all you have to do is to use Cotex in order to make money on binary options using bra indicator. All you have to do is to go to Cotex. I'll put a link below this video. Fund your account with minimum $100, and I will send you, if you send me an print screen that you top up your account with the minimum $100, I will send you this indicator for free. Also, if you don't want to if you want the indicator but you don't want to use Cotex, just make a donation or everywhere you want, yes, on every charity you want, and send me the proof that you make a $100 donation, and I will send you the indicator for free. So you'll find the details below this video in the description area for everything I told you. And that's it. That's pretty much is. I think it's a lot of you, 25 people already used the coupon that I told you about for weekend, with 100% bonus for from Cotex if you made an deposit of the minimum $250, and already 20 of you made this deposit, and I sent you already the indicator. Just let me know in the comments how it's working for you, and the others I'm expecting for you to use this indicator in the future. So that's the video for today. If you have question, put the question below this video in the comments area. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell, and in this way you'll be notified every time I'm uploading new videos. If you like the video, give me a like and also a share, and I will see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.